Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we'll create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, this is a drawing of this component. First we have to draw a circle of 20 mm diameter. Then we have to draw one more circle of 32 mm diameter, that is 26 plus 6 plus 6. So go to new design. From here we will select this particular create a sketch. Now from here we will select this bottom plane. Now select this center diameter circle and provide here 20 mm diameter. After that provide one more circle of 32 mm. Press enter. Now as per the drawing we can see. Now we have to draw a rectangle of 32 by 54 mm. So again go to here. Select a rectangle and provide here 54 tab 32, and as you can see we have created such kind of rectangle. Press enter. After this finish the sketch, go to home position, select this one and extrude it up to as per the drawing up to 7 mm first, then again we have to extrude it up to 14 mm. So just go to this one and extrude it up to 7 mm like this. Press OK, and from here we choose this height and it will visible to us. Now select this one and extrude it up to 14 mm. Now so you can see we have created this portion. Now we have to create such portion of this particular component. For that, as you can see, we have to draw a rectangle of 32 mm by, this is 54 minus 44, that is 10 mm. So just select this one, go to create a sketch. From here select this rectangle command, provide here, this is 32 and this one is 10. Press enter. Finish the sketch. Now select this one, extrude it, and as per the drawing we have to extrude it up to, this is 49 minus 7, so we can say it is 42 mm. So extrude it up to 42. Now finish the sketch and extrude it. Now the next is we'll provide this fillet, this one and this particular edge of 16 mm radius. Press enter. So as you can see we have created such kind of component, and now go to this create sketch, select this one, and now we have to draw this 20 mm diameter circle. Select this one, select this 20 mm, press enter, finish the sketch, go to home position again. Now extrude it As per the drawing, it is 10 mm. Select this extrude command, select this one and extrude it up to 10 mm. Press enter. Now provide the appearance from this modify command. Select this appearance command. Select this blue, enable glossy blue paint and close it. Now you can see we have created the same object what we have seen previously. So this is the way how can we create such kind of component with the help of various commands. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.